In this video we'll show you how to install a badger-proof fence with T-posts. To stop badgers, install a fence at least 1.2 meter tall, with wire at least 2.5 mm thick and holes no larger than 50 mm. Bury 45 cm of the mesh below ground. Mark the post location, spacing them 2 to 3 meters apart. Place the T-posts into the holes and secure them with concrete for added strength. Install reinforcement struts to the end posts. Dig a trench at least 30 cm deep. Unroll the mesh and place the bottom into the trench. Attach the mesh to the first post with wire ties, then continue with the middle posts. Secure the bottom of the fence with pegs, and cover the trench with soil. For faster installation, you can use wire mesh panels, bending the bottoms into the trench and attaching them in the same way.